Anyway, I got rejected lately. Two rejections. Pero hindi naman magkasunod, pero parang I was told na hindi training edge ang napili. We went with another provider, ganyan. Hindi ko alam, pero particularly, hindi naman yung bakit. Hindi naman ganun yung reaction ko. Kasi normal naman na there could be other factors, di ba? Pwede na hindi yung outline ko ang gusto nila and they did not want to discuss further kasi pwede ko naman i-customize yung outline. It could be that the pricing did not work for them. Tapos hindi na sila nag-negotiate with me for a better pricing. Or it could be then na baka meron na talaga silang preferred na parang provider at kailangan lang nila ng 3 proposal at yung sa akin ay pangpuno lamang. There are a lot of factors that could contribute to that. Pero honestly, mga kaibigan, I told Janelle, sabi ko, anak, ano ba sabi ko sa'yo? Ano nga ba sabi ko sa'yo, anak? Well, anyway, my son is in Japan now, eh. And then I told him, I think, na I'm going to treat myself to pancakes. So I feel sad today or something like that. I just feel unhappy or what did I say? I forgot the words. Pero parang sinabi ko sa aking anak na, well, I got rejected. And then si Janelle was so funny. Sabi niya, eat your pancakes and move on, mama. The best advice I heard. Anyway, but hi, baby love. Hi, Akiko. Anyway, so I said, imagine mo sa tagal ko na in the industry, Training Edge is turning 20 years this year. Winner Ka Pinoy is turning 13 years this year. And I am still hurt when rejected. Ako na po to na parang nagko-coach sa mga tao na nare-reject, na nabibigo, ganyan. Ako na to pero parang I still felt that pain. Kasi ko, let me do an episode on that one. Na kasi nga to maybe inspire you also na kung hindi man tayo pinili. Ano kaya ibig sabihin nun? Kasi I also thought, was I not good enough? Am I not good enough? Parang na-question ko pa yon to think na hindi ito first-time clients. They've already tried or experienced my service before. So pero dahil kahit alam ko na mahusay ako sa ginagawa ko, tinanong ko pa rin yung sarili ko na, ba't hindi nila ako tinanggap? Bakit ako pinili? Am I not good enough? You know, and so pwedeng nag-a-apply ka sa trabaho at na-reject ka. Pero sa tingin mo sa sarili mo, I'm so good. How could they say no to me? And that's why some people would say, siguro baka overqualified ka, di ba? Or nag-propose ka ng pagmamahal mo, tapos na-reject ka, di ba? Well, I had another rejection. Bumili ako ng ulam, Radio. Bumili ako ng ulam dito sa malapit sa akin. Paborito namin na binibilhan ng ulam dito si Marivic. Hi Vic. Yung anak niya, si Jasmine, lagi kong diadalhan niya ng chocolate or something. Kasi cute na cute ako sa kanya. So finally, habang bumibili ako ng ulam, nakita ko siya, hi Jasmine! Tapos, tumakbo siya. Akala ko tumatakbo siya to hug me. So naka-ready na ako doon sa yakap ko sa kanya. Tapos bigla siya lumusot sa ilalim ko. Doon pala siya pupunta sa mama doon sa likuran ko na naka-close siya. So doon siya yumakap. So tumawa na lang ako. But that was really, sabi ko, imagine that. These things happen.